jobs for...
Hi, my proposal is free healthcare in Europe because many people don't have health.
We want free education for every single child in the world.
Lađe koje odlaze odnose toplo ljeto s našeg otoka, odnose zadnje nade, tebe nema tu, a kiše dolaze.
Hi, my proposal is a free healthcare in Europe because many people don't have healthcare or is paid, not paid, let's say. So many doctors don't want to cure them because they don't have healthcare, and that's not fair. Everybody has a right to have opportunity for life and for healthy life. And I think it's more important than even knowledge and economy and jobs and everything.
Lađe koje odlaze odnose toplo ljeto s našeg otoka, odnose zadnje nade, tebe nema tu.
We want a stable economy to grow every level of our social life.
Lađe koje odlaze odnose toplo ljeto s našeg otoka, odnose zadnje nade, tebe nema tu, a kiše dolaze. Prozor prema zalazu, u mislima tvoj lik, sonate i Chopin, a vjetrovi sa juga sjetno pričaju o jednoj ljubavi što umire. Dok plaću krošnje starih borova,